Call of Duty. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, we're losing right now. Was it in? Oh, they hardcore. Now I'm taking on a grenade launcher. Anybody want a grenade launcher? Can't get no kills. Oh snap. Ah, I'm stupid. I should have just hit him. Finally. Oh, yeah, finally. That dog is so hard to kill. Nobody can pass me. Oh, he can. I just like the grenade launcher. What? Oh, I was just gonna say how he did not die from that. Sniped. You was a sniper, ain't you? See over here. Oh, he up in there. Camping. I see how you wanna do. You wanna camp. I see. What? They're everywhere, man. They're like everywhere. Ooh, almost that. We're still not in the lead. They got 28. We got 24. Now make that 26. Nobody can pass me. I'm the boss. That's nobody can pass me. I shouldn't have picked the perk of running fast because I ran slow as heck. Ooh, payback. Come on, they got 34. We got us 28. And this team sucks. It sucks a lot. Oh, dude, you is lucky. Who's this? Ooh. I'm not used to shotgun, actually. Can run faster with it. Oh, he took my kill, man. Don't take nobody kill when they busy. But I'm dead at. I'm so dead. So dead. Great. Now we lost the game. Oh, but I'm the only one that got all the kills. No. Great, on the same board. Good thing. saw like it went out, like it skipped. Yeah, it just, my tablet just went out. It just went out. I don't know why. It didn't die or nothing. It just went out. Dang. Make sure it's not 15 minutes. It's 5 minutes. My damn. Okay. Should I use my shotgun? No, I'm gonna use that. Shotgun time up in here. Shotgun time. I like a shotgun. I like a shotgun. I like a shotgun. I like a shotgun. Then a grenade launcher. I like both. I like a shotgun. And a shotgun. Where is other people? Weak. This dude is weak. That's what he's weak. You can't go against these dudes. Wait. Dude is so hard. Oh. I do not understand how he did not notice me. One kill with jumping. I can do that. So jump, it would have to be a jump kill. Up front, my first target. I mean, my third target. Jump kill. Jump kill. Got it. Thank you. We will like the care package like in 4 minutes. He got your brother. Oh, you never kill my partner. No plan. Just killing my everyone. Enter 3 non-kill streaks. So that's 3 non-kill streaks. Well, shoot, I got a grenade launcher. Careful. Be careful. What you be saying to my buddies? Or you gonna get grenade? Ooh. Ah! You! Ooh, you is lucky. You is lucky. I was just finna jump kill yourself. Give me that payback. Give me that payback. I need my payback. Is he over here or over here? Kill from bowling. I don't know. Yeek, you thought he was. Okay, now jump. Oh. I did not mean to slice. I meant to shoot. Ugh, it's lagging a lot. Oh, that's my partner. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, dog. Let's go kill some people. Oh, too far away. He is too far away. No, don't kill my dog. Do not kill my dog. Ooh, got him. Bro, you kidding me? That would have been an awesome kill. I'm coming here for you, dog. Alright. What? Got your tail. Thought he was. Dead. Dying. Freaking horrible. Ooh. Dead. I would have killed all 3 of them. Now my KN9 dog is dead. is that? Yeek. Ran over. Ooh, ran over. Dang, there were 2 of them. I couldn't kill them. Since y'all want to gang up all over here, y'all want to gang up all over here, let's just gang up all over here. Yeah, we can do that. We can gang up all over here. We're a gang. We is a gang. We is a gang. Oh, sneak attack. That's what those are. I really... yeah. Watch me. Oh, yes, yes it is. Watch me. Whoop. And watch him die. Oh, hey. Like he was. Oh, you wanna come over here? You wanna have a little visit, buddy? You wanna visit? Oh, you don't wanna visit no more. You wanna visit? Took my kill. Oh, sniper! Really should not have a shotgun far away. Let me just put my care package. Probably lame. Care package probably lame. Come on, care package. I bet you finna land up, probably up top of there or right here somewhere. No, we're not. See, it's a mess. This supposed to destroy the place. We did it. Oh, I hope he didn't get most of the kills. He better not have got most of the kills. Ooh, I got most of the kills. I got 70 kills. So, that's the video for today. Yeah, the video.